Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to do this Himalayas Pure Skin Neem facial kit, and it's a 6-step facial at home. So we're going to try this and find out if it really works. Now first thing first, I'm going to change into something comfortable and also tie my hair back so that it doesn't come in the way of my facial. Now I'm quickly going to say you all the 6 steps that we are going to follow in this facial. So first thing, we do have a face wash, and this is the Purifying Neem face wash, a very like popular product in the market. And since it's a facial, we are going for double cleansing. So we have a cleansing milk to follow it. I'll move up with the scrub, for which we have the Purifying Neem scrub. All of this, they have given me this facial massager tool. So this comes up in this separate packaging with a manual as well. So it has all the instruction of how to operate this device. I'm just going to quickly get it ready. Now once all of the cleansing is done, we will move up with the toner, for which we have the refreshing and clarifying toner. All of that is done, we are going to apply our face pack, for which we have the Purifying Neem pack. We have got this nourishing face moisturizing lotion, which we have to apply at the end to seek in all the moisture. Remove all the makeup that I have on my face. And this cleansing milk is something I have been using for a very long time, so I know for sure that it works very well. On with this Neem face wash, and I also realized that due to some reason this device is not working, and for that I'll move on with my own face massager by Kiss. Now here's a quick face update, and yeah, next we're going to move with the Neem scrub. My toner. Now it's finally time to apply the pack, and I will apply this Neem pack. It smells quite like herbal. Pack has almost dried because I have dry skin, so I cannot let it completely dry on my face. I'll just quickly go and wash my face. This is the face update right now. Finally, I have to pat my face with some moisturizer. And now coming to my opinion and review about all the products. Well, 3 products out of the entire kit, that is the cleansing milk, the toner and the face wash, are extremely popular, and ये सब मैंने तो क्या, I think everyone must have tried. So there is no regrets and no complaints with those 3 products. And the new ones that were extremely like new, and I was trying them for the first time, and they were the Neem pack, the Neem scrub, and also the face moisturizer. Well, the face moisturizer is very good. I mean, it's hydrating and the fragrance is also very decent, mild, and I have no complaint with the face moisturizer. Also, regarding the face pack, it's a very average working pack. I mean, the smell, I didn't really like the smell, but yeah, it was not very drying also, but not hydrating as well. So it's a very okayish kind of a face pack. And regarding the scrub, well, I just didn't like the scrub because it didn't tend to cleanse and remove all the dead cells very effectively. The particles were really tiny, and I really doubt that it can really exfoliate the dead cells. Was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe right now, and also hit the bell button so that you get notified anytime I post a new video.